Okay, welcome to Cooking General. It's a new video coming out, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This is my pork Tostadas. And, I want to go ahead and let y'all know that on this video, on one little part, I messed up a couple of times. One time I failed. Yes, got a knot on my arm, and I got hurt. But, video is video. Because I get carried away with this food. And it was a contest I did as a kid, really, and won first place. The second thing I want y'all to know in the middle of the video, because I don't edit none of this stuff and I just go straight through. I'm doing it with a phone. And I said chicken when it's pork loin. It's pork loin. So I'm just letting y'all know the way them two parts so you ain't got to leave in the comments and say, oh, well, listen, yeah, and I did bust my butt. But hey, it was worth it. It's just a little so don't worry about it. You know what I'm saying? And if they get mad about it, just tell them to ask somebody. And thank you for watching. Oh, there y'all go. Welcome to the Cooking Journal, man. Oh, man, y'all came here. I didn't expect y'all to come today. But since y'all here, I might well do a video. Oh, before I do a video, let me tell you a little story. Y'all probably want to know how I got into cooking. And I had my very, very first cooking contest, which I won first place. That's how I became a general. But I'm going to tell you, it was in a little small town, and we had to come up with an idea on how to cook something. And so I was like, okay, we sat down studying, because I always was interested in cooking. So I sat there studying, and I was like, okay, I don't know what I want to do. And so I came up with this here pork tostadas. And pork tostadas is good. So let me show you what you have to put in there. And help me celebrate my first win. Check it out. Now, you're going to need some tostadas. Now, my camera person, for some reason, is thinking they call tortitos. I told her no, they call tostadas. And, I got some lettuce, some cheese. Now, we're also going to use some sour cream, jalapenos, and we're going to have some refried beans. Now, I got my diced tomatoes and green chilies, and we got some salsa. And you're going to need a pack of taco seasoning. And the big thing you're going to need is your pork loin. And spank it right there. Now, let's get ready for some tostadas and help me celebrate the first victory I ever had. Oh, I wish I had a camera back there and I would have filmed it, because what I did, I was... All right.
Did it hurt?
Welcome to the Cooking General. I was talking about contest thing. Okay, now what we do, I got my taco seasoning already on it. Now, I put a little water in the bottom of this pan under the foil. It's gonna steam a little bit, and I got the taco seasoning on my pork loin. Now, I'm gonna cook it on here for a while. I'm gonna let it build the juices up. Then I'm gonna take it out and let it cook in its own juices. That's why I got the foil here now. That was pretty smart plan too, because it also made it more tender. Now I got the oven set for 350. Let that go in there. Now you want to put your beans on. Ooh, this brings back some old memories. My first cooking contest. Now I'm gonna put me a little sauce in there. Not much, just about right there. Put your little sauce off in there, some beans, and we're gonna spread this on those tostitos or tostadas, and we're gonna get it going. Now I got the jalapenos in there, diced up jalapenos. Man, we finna let that go, man. It's bringing back some old memories. Woo, I feel like it over there. Now, you better ask somebody. Okay, we got them going, y'all, man. Hey, this is the contest winner. Hey, let me tell you, and you got to try this recipe. I'm telling you, it is delicious. And it got first place for a reason. Come here, let me show you this. All right, check this out here. Now, it's easy. Now, I'm going to tell you a little secret about these beans. I put a little butter, and I put a pinch of salt in there to get rid of that fresh taste and a little butter to keep it moist. Real butter, not margarine. And all you got to do is just kind of spread you some beans on it like that there. And you spread your beans on it like that there. And when you spread your beans on it, okay, then you go get your piece of cheese. Let's get that. And you put your piece of cheese on there. And then you just take it and put it in the oven. I got the oven on broad, but you gotta be careful to watch it so it won't cook too hard. And then look at this meat. Tender. Look at that pork loin. Not dry, still moist. Look at the juices cooked in. Got that taco season to it. Now come here, let me show you this here. Now, put your little lettuce on there. I like that. Some of these tomatoes. Get them up there. All right. Now, I already got this here chopped up. That chicken, oh man. You talking about the bomb. And then some sour cream on the top. Oh, I like a lot of sour cream. There we go. There. Ooh. Now, this is a tostito. Oh, it's good. Man, I see why I want first place. I could just kiss it. That's a good meal. Now, one more thing I need to do, because this is bringing back memories. I'm gonna get it right this time. Y'all ready?